My right shoulder had essentially broken down. The rotator cuff was pretty beat up. Arthritis had taken over the joint, and I could no longer really exercise or do much with my right arm. Dr. Routman appeared to have some of the best solutions, a great reputation, and so I figured I'd give it a try. Well, they told me that I probably wouldn't lift weights the way that I had lifted weights before in my life. I would have to make some changes, but that I would be pain-free, or mostly pain-free. And so I said, okay, let's do it. My arm was essentially ineffective in any way. And so I had the surgery, and actually within a few days, I'd never had any pain. And actually within a few days, I was able to use my arm to do most things very light. And within 30 days, I was back in the fitness center lifting weights. Well, it's nice to be able to sleep, right? So you go to roll over on your shoulder, and all of a sudden, you get that sudden sharp pain. And once it starts, you can't seem to get rid of it. Since the surgery, I've never had any pain. There was zero. I never took anything more than a Tylenol, I think the first day, and that was about it. So it's been a godsend for me. You have to decide whether you want to go for a traditional shoulder replacement or a reverse shoulder replacement. And I opted for the reverse shoulder replacement because if the rotator cuff breaks down after having a traditional shoulder replacement, you still have to have the reverse shoulder replacement. So I talked to Dr. Routman. He felt that was the way to go. I felt that was the way to go. And so we did it. And like I say, 30 days later, I was able to do anything that I ever did before and then some. The staff's great. They're very knowledgeable, and they're cautious with how they allow you the parameters of what you want to be able to do or whatever. They kind of keep you in the safe range. But they're great. They don't hesitate to spend time with you and give you knowledge. And Dr. Routman is extremely personable, and he's frankly, I think, one of the best orthopedic surgeons, especially for shoulders, in the world. Tell Dr. Routman I said hello.